Edo Pipo don't show say belle sweet dem wella as dem throw salute to Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo for the launch of the flyover project for Rama Park. For one to session with some passers-by, they come chook mouth on top the good things where the flyover go bring, especially how e go reduce the traffic and make journey for that side of the city easy. They come promise say dem go support the governor to make sure say he fulfill all the promises when he get for Edo people.
Now better governor now you come. We all wait they happy to see where the move at. This is flyover. We never see her for the whole Benin before. Edo State. As he want do better thing, the whole Edo State they happy, and me man they happy. Yeah, the thing where he say he go do am. We all day back in go day back in Omonopa day back. Everybody day back. They will give him better mind. They do am, and he go do am pass. As Osomole work, he go work pass Osomole.
We are happy over it. We thank the governor. Please, with the flyover now, the traffic now will come down for us. A lot of different state, because if you check it now, mostly like this Okpebholo road now where we go up to, that place is very bad. Only 1 week now, at least there are people there, they want to start the work on their now. And with this overhead bridge now, at least by the grace of God, everything will be.
No, what's up to the that one where you want people have people. You like how well. See how do our work they do now, everybody they have people. For that junction for never reach a week where you enter. God will bless you now.
Una go remember say on Tuesday, November 19, 2024, Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo launched the construction of the first flyover bridge for the city for Ramat Park. The flyover go be 480 meters long and it go follow same plan for Dancy Road Junction and Adesuwa Saple Road for the city. The main aim of the flyover na to help reduce traffic jam and make travel for the people easy and faster. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojeisoli, TMC TV News.